guys, so we've been working on some wardrobes and kitchen cabinets lately, and we just want to know the exact time that takes us to install one wardrobe, which technically I won't install it alone. So I'll be installing with Musa. Musa, share office. Let me see you. So I'm working with my brother from the north, Musa, and he has been learning for less than a month. He has been with me, he has been learning with us. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, we're done. This is 5 hours, 17 minutes. We started around 11:38, and here it's 4:55. Thank you for watching.